Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can tell from the video's title, we're about to go into Dollar General and get into a little 5 off of 25 couponing. I really want to see if I can make some of the deals that we did earlier this week with our $5 challenge, a stack with the 5 off of 25, along with some other things that I'm thinking about grabbing. So let's go in here and see what type of deals that we can come up with. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to grab is 5 boxes of Pop-Tarts. We talked about this deal in our $5 challenge, but these are $2 and then you save $3 instantly when you spend 10. I'm also going to be using the $3 off printable coupon from the Kellogg's Rewards website. The next item I'm going to grab is one of the Snuggle 40 count dryer sheets. So these are $2 regular price. I'm going to use the $1 off one manufacturer coupon from our 1.5 Retail Me Not. Next item up is one bottle of Tide. These are $4.95. We're going to use one of the $2 off manufacturer coupons from the January P&G. I'm just grabbing this because I like to collect Tide. Now we're going to add in the Dial Right Guard Instant Savings Deal where you spend $8 and you save $2 instantly. So I'm going to get the same products. I'm going to get 2 of the deodorants. I'm going to have to grab the 2.25 ones because they are out of the 1.75. I'm going to get $1 hand soap, and I'm also going to get one of the 6 packs of bar soap. I won't be using any coupons on the Dial products, but I will be using the $4 off 2 digital coupon on the Right Guard. The next deal I'm going to grab is on the Vaseline lotion. I've seen a lot of people doing this deal, but I haven't done it yet. So we have a coupon for spend 6, save 2 on the Vaseline. We also have $2 off one manufacturer coupons from our 1.5 Retail Me Not. So we're going to buy 2 of these for $7. That spend 2 coupon will take off 2, and then we're going to save another 2 on each one of these coupons, bringing the final cost down to only 50 cents each for these. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I have in my transaction today. Super quick and easy deal. We got our Pop-Tart deal over there. We're just going to be using the $3 off 5 paper coupon for that. I will show you that in just a second. I have my Vaseline. I will also be using the $2 off paper coupons for those. The Right Guard, we're going to use that $4 off 2 digital. We have the Tide. We're going to use our $2 off paper coupon for that. The Snuggle, which we're going to use our $1 off paper coupon for. I also picked up one of the free Crest from the dollar aisle. I'm going to use the $1 off 1 digital on that, and then no coupons will be used for the Dial products. Okay, so we have a total of 14 items here. All my manufacturer coupons here. There's a Tide, there's a Snuggle, there is the $3 off 5 for the Pop-Tart, and then our 2 paper coupons for the Vaseline. We will also, of course, be loading our 5 off of 25 coupon. Let's go check out and see how this works.
$6.47. Now that was amazing.
Yes, Lord. Y'all, did y'all see that? That is what you call Dollar General greatness. That was so beautiful. The cashier was so amazed. He was like, oh my gosh, that total just dropped almost $30. Yes, sir. It just dropped almost $30. We got 5 boxes of Pop-Tarts, Tide, Snuggle, Vaseline lotion, bar soap, hand soap, toothpaste. Y'all, let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So that Right Guard deal definitely glitched a little bit for me. I tried something different and I entered in my phone number as he was scanning the items because I heard you needed to do it beforehand to make a little extra come off, and it definitely worked out and took off some extra. So there's the Tide, there's our $2 manufacturer coupon, there's the Right Guard, and our $4 manufacturer coupon. Those store discounts there for the Right Guard definitely took off a little extra. There's the Vaseline lotion. All of those discounts worked out perfectly with the 2 off of 6 and our 2 $2 $2 manufacturer coupons. There's the Snuggle with the $1 manufacturer coupon. And all of those store discount lines are a 5 off of 25 coupon under those items. There's the Crest. The digital coupon came off for that. The Dial, we had no coupons, but we did have 2 store discounts for the 5 off of 25 and the spend 8, save $2. So that was all good. There's our $3 coupon for the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. Y'all, that was so beautiful. So our subtotal for 14 items came up to $5, y'all. We paid $5.26 plus tax, and we saved $28.44 for 14 items. We paid $5, y'all. That is amazing. Just a bottle of Tide alone is $5, and we got everything else. This is so beautiful. So I hope you have that $4 Right Guard coupon left on some of your accounts, because this is a beautiful, beautiful deal. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button. Bye, you guys.